Changing templates on your Wix website is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then, open up wix.com in the web browser. Once you get into its site, tap on Select and Edit Site. Then, click to edit the site from here. Now tap on Site Designs from the editing bar. Then, click to change the theme from here. You can select the different themes from the featured themes. Then, get back and you can customize your site design as well. You can add pages, apps, business, media, CMS, marketing and SEO, and everything else in your site. Also, you can adjust the size of your site, then click to save it. And click to see the preview of your site. Tap on Done to save the changes and check out the preview of your site with changed theme and template.